Hey there, plant lovers! Want to know the secret behind these healthy green plants? It's nitrogen, the ultimate plant booster. Let's find out why it's so important. Nitrogen is a key nutrient for plants. It is their main source of protein and energy, which helps them grow faster and healthier. Here's the magic: nitrogen makes plants green and strong. It helps them grow leaves, stems, and branches. Without it, plants would look yellow and weak. Plants absorb nitrogen from the soil or fertilizers. That's why adding nitrogen rich fertilizer is so crucial for a healthy crop. With enough nitrogen, your plants grow faster, produce more, and stay green. No nitrogen, you'll see yellow leaves and slow growth. Use nitrogen fertilizers during the early growth stages when plants need it the most. Just follow the instructions for the right amount and you're good to go. Keep your plants happy and healthy with nitrogen. It's the key to strong, green, and productive crops. Follow us for more easy tips on plant care.